year. So we're going to depreciate it by the full 6,000. And then in year 3, we'll do the same entry. In year 4, we'll do the same entry, and yada yada. In year 10, at the year 10 end, it's going to be a little different too. So if we bought this equipment on September 1st, and it has a useful life of 10 years, that means that its useful life is going to end on September 1st in year 10. Or maybe it'd be 11. But anyway, in 10 years, it's going to be fully depreciated on September 1st. So if we depreciate it for January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, for 9 months, 6,000 times 9/12 is equal to 4,000. I think I did that right. Let's see. 9, 3/4. Yep, that's right. 4,000. So our depreciation expense is going to be 4,000, and our accumulated depreciation is going to be 4,000. This would probably be at the end of year 11. If we began in year 1, 10 years later would be year 11. But at any rate, here's what we record at the very beginning. Here's what we record in the years in between, and then the last year we only record the partial depreciation again. Okay? And then our last problem assume the same facts, so ignore that we bought on September 1st. So assume the same facts, we buy it on January 1st. Assume the original facts, but at the end of year 2, the company realizes that the useful life should have been estimated at 7 years. So, and what's the depreciation? Okay, using straight line. So we had a cost, same thing, of 65, salvage of 5, life of 10, but then it should have been 7. After 2 years, we thought we should have guessed 7 years. So, those first 2 years, when we were under the assumption that it would be a useful life of 10,000, we'd do the same depreciation amount that we've been doing thus far. So, in the first year, depreciation expense for 6,000, accumulated depreciation for 6,000. In the second year, we'd do the exact same thing. For 6,000, 6,000. Nothing new there. Now, after we make this journal entry, we said, okay, instead of 10, we should have estimated it to be 7. So how many more years does this piece of equipment have? Well, if it's been 2 years, and we're saying that we should have guessed it would have been 7, that means that the piece of equipment has 5 years left. So our useful life as of right now is 5 years. Our cost is still 65,000. Our salvage value is still 5,000. But we've also got accumulated depreciation for 12,000. This 6,000 and this 6,000 is 12,000. So after year 2, how much are we going to depreciate this piece of equipment? Well, using straight line, we'll do the same general equation, maybe a little bit different. We're going to take 65,000 minus our salvage value, but we're also going to subtract this accumulated depreciation. And then we're going to divide it by our new useful life. So that should equal 9,600. And there's our new depreciable amount. So in year 3, our depreciation expense is going to be 9,600, and our accumulated is going to be 9,600. So originally, we depreciated our equipment at a low amount because we thought it was going to last a long time. Now we're saying, oh, it's not going to last a long time. So now we're going to depreciate it even more. Now it'd work vice versa. If we said, okay, this piece of equipment is great, maybe it's going to last 15 years, then this depreciation expense is going to be lower than 6,000 because we're going to stretch it over a longer period of time. So that's all the questions. Hopefully you found this useful. Please leave any comments below if you have any suggestions. And good luck studying. All right, take care.